Greetings, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a March look. Really fast, simple look for work. Hope you guys enjoy it. I just cleaned my face and now I am putting this NYX concealer in the color Cocoa. Now I'm going to, this is a dip brow in the color Ebony by Anastasia. I think I'm gonna go and start using another brow very soon, maybe for next month, just to see how another one would look in the near future. Here is my e.l.f. concealer that I'll be applying under my eyes just to give a lift of some kind. I haven't used it in a while, so hopefully everything looks pretty decent. How are you guys doing for the month of March? How is things coming along? It's getting really hot here in South Florida, and hopefully we get some kind of cold weather again. We heard we'll have some kind of cold front, so hopefully we could get have a little bit of that down here, so we could be in the high 70s. Hopefully. Now I'm going to use my Fit Me by Maybelline. It's a foundation I haven't used in a while, so I know the color might be a little bit off, but definitely I'll try to blend it as much as I can. This is something that I would actually wear to work. Here is my setting powder by L'Oreal that I'll be putting underneath my eye to set. Not using too much of anything because of the severe outbreak I got going on my face. So I've been just taking a break from everything so I could manage my skin in between. This is my Tarte concealer that I'm using to contour both my cheeks and nose. This is my bronzer that I'll use to help with the bronze, and that's the L'Oreal setting powder that I will use to also set, and that's what I used first before I used the bronzer. And here's the bronzer that I'll use. That also provides a nice cover. Here's the washi tape that I am using to do my eyeshadows, using the Morphe All Matted palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful eggplant color for the base, just to give it a nice warm look. Now I'll be in the Juvia's place to use another transitioning color that's in that terracotta that I love, that I'll be also applying to the base just to give it a nice pop of color. And now for the lid, I'll be using a separate brush, and I'll be using, no, that's my eyeshadow primer that I'm gonna use to set the lid color from the Juvia's palette, which is one of my favorite colors to use all year round. It's just giving it a nice pop of color. I love it. So I'm just using that, blending it so that it looks good. And now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeliner, and then I'm applying that, and then I'll also will be putting on lashes. I normally don't put lashes on for work, but definitely wanted to put on my birthday lashes. Something fell, I'm sorry, got distracted. This lipstick is from a friend of mine that's coming up with her own lipstick line eventually. In the future, I'll definitely will be able to promote her lipsticks. That one was very, probably didn't apply too much of that lipstick, but I'll get back to that. Here's my birthday lashes, and I love it. It's very light, it's not heavy. but I didn't put enough glue to apply on it while I was doing this video. So towards the end, it'll probably look like it's about to fall off, which is okay. And now I got my wig on, and of course it's not put together yet, but I will fix it. Still have some problems with the lash, but that's life. Just learn to roll with it. But that this is my birthday lash that I got from Wish that I love so much. Get the back of the hair. Oof. Yeah. Okay. So this is a unit that I've been wearing for the entire month of March. It's easy to put on. And now I'm just satisfied with the lip, so I'm probably going to use another lip. Yeah, it looks like I have on nothing, so I'll be using a pencil to get me some color to apply, because I was not happy. My lipstick is too sheer, so I'm just going to use this pencil here just to draw in a little color that's work appropriate. So there you guys go. That is my look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Continue on being a blessing to others, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Ooh, them lashes are ready to fall off. Bye.